Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Rusty's Mustang Garage. We're going to talk a little bit today about the color of the car. As you can see right now, it is pretty much a multicolor hot mess. Some blue, green, primer color. A lot of that is on there to keep it from rusting as it sits, but it doesn't always work that way. One part of the car on the passenger side that still has the original color, so let's go take a look at that real quick. And it is this passenger side B pillar. We're gonna go try to clean it up and see what it looks like. Out of the whole body of the car, this is probably the last spot on the whole car that has the original paint. It's a green of some sorts. We're gonna clean it up, see what it looks like. I'm gonna start off with a 3000 grit sanding pad. That should get rid of any oxidation that's left. I did a little bit down here already, but we'll try to do some in here and see what it looks like. I don't want to go too far because I'll burn through the paint, which I think I did here a little bit. I just want to clean off the oxidation and whatever overspray. I'm not going to be able to get all the rust off, obviously. I just want to clean it up, see what it really looks like underneath. Try this up. All right, now I'm going to use a little bit of polishing compound on a pad. Obviously, this is not going to be as good as a machine, but I don't think I'd be able to get a machine in here anyway. All right, now I'll just buff this off. All right, that's probably about as good as I'm really gonna get it. Not a whole lot of room to get a machine in there, and I really don't want to burn all the color off. So it looks like it is an ivy green metallic for the year, and well, that's what the original color was. Not sure what the final color of the car is going to be, but we'll have to wait and see.